with it, so make sure you check out his time. And good evening, and here's some time for you this weekend. School Drink Center, of course, you will find this class with a video of the Johnny with time at 2009. Now you can find our international for the right inside the racetrack.
This thing, nice house.
Right next to the joint right there. We also want to thank our title sponsors, V-Trailer, Precision Turbo in.
And that was the one thing that...
Branson Motorsports, DTC,
I know that.
Barron, DTC Racing, the Monday Race Guy, Finish Live, David right now, DTC Motorsports, Nicest, Olympic Unit for Perfect Cars, 4-Timers Plus Zero, DTC Racing Fuel.
Look at it, y'all. It still got factory door panels in it. Still got door panels in it. Factory dash. It's a bad car. It's a bad car right here, y'all. It's my first time looking at this car up close. It's nice too. Like I said, look at it. Factory doors and dash. It's bad here. This thing here is bad. Okay, go ahead and introduce yourself and all that first off.
All right, my name is Jason Rickert. I'm manager for VP Racing Fuels, corporate office out of Terre Haute, Indiana. This here is my 82 Olds Cutlass I've had for 30 years. This is my first car. My dad bought it for me in 1990. Only thing I've ever raced. Had a V6 in it, and it's turned into what you see here today, man. And it's been 2.5 years. We run limited drag radial. It's actually the class that Tyler Crossnow and myself started about 5 years ago.
Okay.
And so this is an all brand new Tony Bischoff built VES 555. It's all billet. It's from Energy Manufacturing out of Ohio. It's Callie's company.
Right.
You know, Dave Visner does the cylinder heads and all. It's got their rocker system. I mean, it's a bad mamma jamma, brother. So yesterday was my first pass in 2.5 years.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah. Cause I haven't saw this car in a minute for real. Yeah.
Yep.
It's been a while. So what's the personal best on this car?
Well, I've been a 418 at 186, you know, a couple years ago. So, but
what you thinking now, then?
If it goes quicker than 418, it goes 417 with a 9, I'll be happy. If it goes home running, I'll be happy. But it should be right in the thick of things. It should be a high 4.0 car at 190 or so.
Right, definitely.
But like I said, you know, this is what this class was made for, man. It's a real fucking car. You know what I'm saying? It's got all steel. There's not one Zeus fastener on the car. I mean, but when I built this thing years ago, you had to have stock interior, floorboards, all that stuff. It's got frame rails front to back, you know, stock suspension, you know.
So what made you keep the car like that? Cause you don't see that too often.
Well, you know what? One thing, money, and the other thing though is just it's what I believe the true intent of the class was supposed to be. That's why we just developed the class. You know, it's an old outlaw drag radial car. It's an old true street car, and that's what it was supposed to be. Roll up windows, you know. I mean, and they're heavy. The thing's got to be 3,300 pounds, so there's no need to, make it a featherweight and then, you know, shove a whole bunch of lead back on it. So it weighs 3305 with my big butt in it, and so it's perfect.
Hey, I like it, man. I appreciate you taking the time out to talk to us and everything. So
thanks for coming by.
All right.